Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle got some nice videos out there taking you step by step. Roll down that screen, find what you want. Nice recipes. Today I'll be doing something different today. Today I'll be making some pancit. I'll be using these rice sticks. I'll be using some chicken thighs. I'll be using some scallops and some onion, garlic, carrots, and cabbage. And I'll be using some sweet peas. And I'll be cooking up all that together, slicing it up. And this right here is going to be delicious. As you see, I have my chicken boiling right here, my thighs. So they brought them pretty good. So I'm gonna let that boil a little while longer and we're gonna get it together. Okay, so now I have everything chopped up and everything. My chicken, my scallops is in the refrigerator and my rice sticks to the side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna saute my garlic and my onions. Hold me a little. First I'm gonna cut this on. Cut it on high. Get the skillet nice, good and warm. And I'm gonna pour just a little bit of oil, man. Stir that up. Give it time to get nice, good and hot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna put my onions in like this. Oh yes, that's what I'm waiting for. And I'll put my garlic in. And I'm gonna just stir this up for a minute. I'm gonna let it sit too, let it get a little brown. Okay, I'm gonna put my chicken in just like this and stir this up a little bit. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna pour my 2 cups of the juice what I boiled the chicken in. It's going to be 2.5 cups. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to sprinkle my black pepper in there. Just put a little mix on it. And I'm going to put my soy sauce in there. And stir that up for a minute. And put my scallops in. Just stir that, I'm gonna let it cook. Okay, now it's boiling, I'm gonna put my rice sticks in. And just mash it down in there just like this. Let it just soak. Yeah, I'm gonna put my carrots in now. Okay, now I'm gonna add my sweet peas in. Just mix it up a little. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little of my cabbage in, just like this. And you see how it's coming out, everything's coming out nice and good and everything, almost done. This right here is gonna be a delicious dish. Okay, it's looking nice and good. This right here is done. What I'm gonna do before I put it in this bowl, I'm just gonna get me a little, I'll do a little taste on it and everything. But smell good and look good. Okay, this is done. It tastes good and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it off and pour it in this bowl right here. And this looking nice and good. Okay, this right here is your pancit with scallops, and that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. You don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Ring that bell. You subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video.